Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I figured I should actually just open the vlog here because I don't know if I'll get a chance to do it again. We are on our way to Clarence. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Nkosi, and if you are returning, thank you for coming back. We are currently stopped at a garage because where we are going, it is a no man's land. So trying to make sure everything is sorted. We pre-packed most of the things. We bought what we needed to buy. So goba kuse we danger. So yeah, and let us go to Clarence. Say go to Clarence.
Yay.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down,
I don't know where we are, but we are here. I don't know where we are. Hi guys, we took a small detour. We were supposed to be going hiking, but we saw this waterfall thingy, so we tried it out. It's not really a waterfall, it's like a man-made structure thingy like you saw. But now we're gonna head out, hopefully go to where we're supposed to be going. But what is a trip without making detours? Like, come on now. But anyways, let us head back to the main route and enjoy.
Oh, my God.
Okay, first lookout area. It is. Anything? What's thinking? You want us to go? I think the wind is winding too much now. It was hunting it. Up in this business, I don't even know why we're here, but we are coming to learn about dinosaurs. Yet it's about Dala. Just here for vibes. Eh? We're just waiting to check in at this point. We're just wasting time, buying time. But so yeah, let's try this again. Yeah.
dinosaurs' growth and age. Dinosaur osteohistologists study the microscopic structure of bone tissue. They cut very thin sections of
The world is a wondrous place when you slow it down.
Throw off the rules like our shoes on the golden ground.
Sway in the autumn leaves.
You are beautiful.
When you look at me, can you feel my love?
Can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh. Can you feel my love? Can you feel my
One thing about me, I will unpack. I don't care if it's 1 day, 1 hour. Let's unpack, please. Hi guys, and I know the echo is probably bad for you guys, so I will promise that I will invest in a microphone. But I just wanted to unpack. I just took a shower and I refreshed. So I just need to tidy up here. We are making hot dogs just to, we have dinner in town. We didn't reserve anything. We'll figure it out as we go. But I just wanted to tidy up and make sure that the kitchen is looking, because stress. Basaphumile abahlali to go and top up. I think we're missing some spices and a few other items, but yeah. So I'm gonna tidy up, and then Magobuya, me, I don't touch the kitchen. One lucky thing, my friends are very kitchen people. I mean, I just help where I'm needed, honestly. So right now I am helping with the tidying up. So let us tidy up. Do they put the sponge inside? It smells nice. Oh. Wait, don't close, bully. It's dinner time. What does it need? What? Yeah, I think I want drinks and just dessert. But I never have dessert. What when do I have dessert? I just want drinks. I just want cocktails. Mocktails.
Phuma kanjalo kwiqiniso.
Azange.
Esidanga Nkosi yami.
Azange. Mocktail, man. Thank you. Bye. All I want is just to be inside, man. What is this place called? The square. The square. We're having drinks and desserts. Somebody wants some oysters. Don't know what that means, but just drinks and desserts. That's it. Thank you. Bye.
What do you have? Do you have a chocolate sauce one?
I think it's a normal one. Ooh, why is it on the side though? Yeah. Go sleep. That spot of the couch looks so comfortable right now. But it's TV, so there's no point. So let's just go sleep. Let's go sleep, chat. Lungsa in. Matras wako kanjani? Huh? Hey guys. Good night. All inner days of sightseeing. Oh, electric blanket. Come and light in them. Ngibeke ku-top nje sibekwa so that izosheshisa. I'm feeling so cold actually because I had literally a mocktail and the ice. The ice is so thick and difficult to melt, so you go do it. But thank you guys. We will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is literally heading back to Joburg. Yeah. Thank you for joining us in Clarence. Clarence. Of course, I'm going to do a deer. You see how the sun is heating? The sun is heating my food. I think this whole world is done. Oh, not really. But this one, is not done, so I'm going to try go again. And I need to remember to stop. First load. Oh, beautiful. And that's me. And that's me. Hi guys, this is the end of our Clarence vlog. It was just one night, and I would highly recommend that because there's not much to do here. So you basically do all you want to do in that one day when you arrive, or half it up, half when you arrive, the other half before you leave. It's just that 10-hour rushing back to Joburg, and I have a work conference this week, so we gotta leave early. but it was nice views, but there's not much to do. But it was a beautiful trip, and to come back. Hi, boy, yeah, friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover.